Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to fix video call problem on Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. If we do have a hard time in making a video call on our Facebook Messenger, the best thing that we are going to do then is to go to our mobile settings. So once we are here, since we do have an iOS device, what we need to do is to look for the Messenger. So we're just going to scroll down up until we see that. So just like for example, we have here, yes, we have Messenger. So we're going to click that. And once we are routed on this page, all we need to do then is we are going to make sure that we are allowing access or permission to camera. At the same time, we are also allowing access in terms of our microphone. So basically, once the camera and microphone is turned on, there will be no problem for us if we are going to have a video call on Facebook Messenger. So another thing that we are going to do then, since we do have an iOS device, is that we are going to go to General. So just like for example, we have here, we're going to press this. And once we are here on General, we are going to click iPhone Storage. And once we are here, we're going to look for Messenger. So here. And right after that, we are going to offload app. So we're going to click this one. And we need to confirm the offloading of the application. We're going to click this. And basically, we will just be waiting for that one to be completely done. And right after that, we're going to click reinstall app. So once everything is set, then we can go ahead to our Facebook Messenger. So just like for example, we have here. So once we are here, we can go ahead and call someone. So just like for example, this one. So there you have it. That's how we are going to fix video call problem on Facebook Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.